the concepts we discuss can be actually done a little bit faster. So we have discussed how to create the textiles and get this oblique angle. Left top has -30, right has +30. So then we can create 3 different dimension styles also. I have done it now. So I have created left, right and top dimension styles. So for the left dimension style, I'm going to integrate left and top textile. So the left dimension style should take the left and top oblique angle. So basically this is taking left dimension style will take -30 oblique angle. And if you look at the right dimension style, it will take uh, right oblique angle, that is +30. Right textile has +30 oblique angle, and the top dimension style will take left and top again textile. This value is oblique angle is -30. So left and top textiles has -30 oblique angle, right textile has 30 oblique angle, but we unfortunately we can't give the rotation angle. So rotation angle is not available in any of these things. So there's nothing called rotation angle, nothing called oblique angle even, but since we are importing the oblique angle from the textile, we can do something from here. But rotation angle is unfortunately not available in any of these boxes. If you look at textiles, we have the oblique angle but no rotation angle here. So the rotation angle you should have to give from the properties here, so that's unavoidable. So we will look at how to deal with now. So now I have to select the correct dimension style for this plane. This is right, so we have selected the right dimension style. So I'm just coming here from the beginning. We are doing now align tool. This is right, so it's somewhat better than the previous thing we got here. Now it's taking the text oblique angle, but the rotation angle is not taken. This alignment is not taken, so we have to give that oblique angle anyhow. From here, this is -30. It's actually rotate this by 90 again. 90. So this is quite good, but rotation angle we have to give it from here. For the right plane, rotation angle is 30. Now it's okay. So this is somewhat faster when it comes to a big drawing. Without going from the fundamentals, as I told earlier, we create the styles and do it, then it's going to be somewhat faster. So we will do it for the top plane now. So for the top plane, I have used the top dimension style, and I have used this align dimension, and I have put 2 dimensions. Now this should have the rotation angle, correct rotation angle, these two. So these two will have rotation angle as 30. So I have to come here. So first we'll apply the oblique angle. Oblique angle is also 30, so we'll apply oblique angle to these two dimensions, 30, and the rotation angle should be also 30. Now you can see it's nicely aligned, similar to these. Now we have done the right plane, top plane, and the left plane also we have to do. So we will come here and change the styles to left, make it current. You can see I am not coming here and changing the textile. Textile is automatically incorporated in the dimension style, so I don't need to come here and change this textile again and again. So we will align dimension. Now this angle, rotation angle, should be -30. and we have to give a oblique angle also. This is unavoidable, manually we have to give it. So this is given, but it should be again 90 degrees adjusted, so we'll again give 90 degrees. Then text angle should be minus 30. Rotation angle should be minus 30. Now it's similar to the first case. So we have used the styles and made it faster. So I hope you understood the concepts clearly now. So we can go with the traditional manual settings. Anyway, we have to give the rotation and the oblique manually. That cannot be avoided. But to increase the speed, you can create textiles, two textiles like this, and incorporate those two textiles in the three dimension styles. So dimension styles we have three, and we are importing the textile accordingly to the correct dimension style. So that's the way we have to do these exercises. So you can try this tutorial also at home and try our past paper questions. So we have given, I think I don't have it now. So we have it last year architecture paper. We have isometric drawings, as in the last year mechanical paper also we have the isometric drawing. So this is the last year architecture drawing. So we ask you to draw this and all the styles. We have given the textiles and we have given a hint. In order to apply the dimensions in the isometric, we use the text rotation and oblique angles combinations done in the class. Create appropriate text dimension and multi-leader styles. Use isocircling drawings. So we have given hints, and this is the architecture drawing last year. So you can practice these questions also and get an idea how to do these things. Last year mechanical question. We gave us isometric drawing them also. So this is the isometric drawing we gave. So you can practice these questions and get ready for the exam. So we have given a small isometric drawing and some other drawings for the mechanical guys, but for the architectural guys I gave only isometric drawing. So you go home and practice these questions, and if you have any questions related to AutoCAD, so we are ending up our lecture series, you can contact us. Thank you for watching our lecture series. Goodbye.